guys, when it comes to eating lunch, you might be sick of the sliced turkeys and the hams. So stick around because I'm going to show you my Cornish game hen with avocado studded yams. Woo! Keep it paleo. Got my rib rub here and 3 Cornish game hens. Just dried these off with a paper towel. And then as I have these seasoned, I'm just gonna set them right on my racks. All right, and then these are gonna go in the oven 375 until the breast meat reaches about 165. We've got a cast iron skillet heating up over here. I'm gonna dice up this onion, a little bit of oil, onions into the pan. All right, we just want to caramelize these up. Give them a little salt to help them cook. All right, while these are cooking, they're just about there where we're gonna add the yams. I am going to prep out our avocado. And then I have 1 serrano here. I like spicy food, so I'm gonna add about half of a serrano. And then maybe we'll save this half to garnish our plate. Something like that. I'm gonna add this to the pan. And then you can see now kind of where we're at on our onions. Good, ready to rock. So our yams now, to help them along, we got a little chicken stock. There we go. The hens are done. Let's go here. We got them nice and crisp. Looking delicious, wouldn't you say? Now we're gonna fold in our avocado. And then I'm gonna serve this up family style. All right guys, you show up at your paleo potluck with a plate of this and you're in good shape. All right, people are gonna love it. So get out there, yam it up. Hot avocados are a new thing, give it a try. Do your best at all times to keep it paleo.